I want to take a payout in this account, so I'm going to go ahead and go to take a payout. So basically I have, with all my combines and then paying your fee to go into the express funded account of 150, regardless if it's a 50K or 150K account, it's still 150 to get moved into the express funded accounts. So with all that, I'm going to take a, I don't know, $1,200 payout, because they're also going to refund my combine cost of 150 bucks. So I take a $1,200 payout. That'll give me $1,350, which recovers my full investment with TopStep. Full investment, and put some money in my pocket so that if I do blow up this account, then it automatically will pay for my next combine and I can get right back in it. Again, nothing out of my pocket. And the reason why I want to do it now is because of the psychological aspect of this game. I could wait till I get 20 grand in this account and then take a payout. But I don't want to do that. So they're going to let me take 50% of my profits, which I'm not going to take 50%. I'm just going to take, a bit less than that. But the reason why I want to do it is because once I take that payout, then it's all house's money. None of my investment is in this. So it makes it so much easier emotionally when none of your investment's in it. If I open a broker account, put $10,000 in it, grow that account to $20,000, pull my initial investment out. After that, move it to a different investment vehicle. Then after that, that account feels it's so much easier for me psychologically because none of it's my money. It's just house money. So I want to get my investment back out of TopStep. So now I have nothing financially into this, just time, and then grow from there. The downside to it is if I do that, then it's going to take longer for me to grow my account to get to a point where I can scale up and really start making more money each day. Because I need a bigger buffer in my account because there's a trailing drawdown. So right now, you can see down here, if I go negative $1,400, then the account blows up now because this has been trailing. It started with negative 4,500, but it's trailing. Once I get to $4,500 in profit in this account, then this will say 0 and it'll never go above 0. It never goes into positive numbers. So it doesn't trail with you. And the nice thing about TopStep is it's closing day. It's not intraday. Well, this will blow up on you intraday if you hit the thing. But at least my drawdown doesn't trail based on my intraday trades. So if I hit this number intraday, it goes down. But if I go up 6 grand in my account today, and then I go down 4,500, I'm still profitable on the day, and I don't blow up my account, even though your max loss is $4,500. But anyway, so don't let my max loss hit below 1,400 right now. So this is growing good. Normally, I would say to myself, wait until I have $4,500 in my account, and then anything after that I could take out in profit. This way, I always keep that $4,500 buffer, which also makes my days less stressful because I'm so far away from blowing up my account that if I lose $500, I don't really worry about it. But if I'm $1,000 away from blowing my account and I'm risking $200 to $300, or if I go down $400, I'm going to be a lot more scared about it because then like 3 trades and it's game over. Whereas if I have $4,500 in drawdown and I end up risking $400 to $500, I can afford a lot of losers. I'll definitely have some winners in there, and it should be good to go. So it matters a lot how much drawdown I have in my account for the size that I'm trading, which is typically right now 1 to 2 contracts, but that could be $300, $400, $500 sometimes. So I need that buffer. So normally I would wait until I got above that and then start to take payouts. But psychologically for me, I need to take a payout, get my investment out, and be able to move forward without that hanging over my head of what if I keep trading and then I blow up this account and I could have recovered my investment and I didn't, like that emotional part of it. I need to erase that. So that's why I'm going to go ahead and do it. So to take a payout, I'm going to go up here. Okay, so I'm going to click on this right here, details. And then you come down here, payout policy, gives you the rundown. And then this form. And then you have a choice of Wise. I guess you get your money faster, but I'm not set up with Wise, so I'm going to do ACH transfer. Right here. And then you get this payout form that's got all your information already filled out on it. All you got to do is come down here and put your payout information in, which is pretty sweet. 1200. And then come down here, confirm your payout request meets the following criteria. My trade dashboard has 5 winning day trading days recorded with the net P&L of $200 or more each time, or more for this payout request. Yes, so we're good to go there. Check. The payout request does not exceed 50% of my current account balance. Billing information. Yes, I'll do that. Understand going forward, my account cannot go below $0. What? My account cannot go. Although we recommend building up your account enough to get your drawdown to 0 before taking a. So you're. All right, so I guess if I take a payout, my max loss limit automatically goes to 0. Right now it's negative 1400. So if I take a payout, I lose $1,400 of room before I blow up this account, and I have a drawdown of $1,200. So I basically lose $2,600 of wiggle room before blowing up this account, which then only leaves me with around $1,900 of room. So if I take $1,200 right now, and then I drop $1,800, I have $3,098. So that doesn't give me. I need at least $3,000 of wiggle room in my account for what I'm doing, for me to psychologically to feel good. Probably don't even need that much. I probably can get away with having $1,000 wiggle room and be fine. But for me, mentally, I need that $3,000 of room. And if I take a payout now, I won't have it. So that doesn't actually work. Yeah, so I actually cannot take a payout right now. As much as I want to, I can't, because my account will be at risk if I do. So I need to make some money. I need to make like $1,000. I need to make $1,000. If I make $1,000, yeah. So all right, let me go make $1,000, and then I'll take a payout, and I'll still leave me a $3,000 buffer, and I should still be good to go. So let me go do that, and then I'll come back and finish this up. Okay, so I'm back. So I went and made some money, and now I can get my payout request. So I had total of 5 days, but now I have one more day in there, plus an evening trade, or evening trade. Let me refresh this. Okay, so there we go. So total of 6 days now of $200 plus. So you have to have 5 winning days for each payout. So I wonder, now that I got 6, if that is already working towards my second payout, or does that count start over? So, and I just took a trade tonight, which won't show up here yet. So I made another $350 to go to the account. So now I'm up to basically $4,500, just shy of $4,500 dollars, which puts me at 0. So right now you see negative 374. So I made 3 and change. We'll go look at that in a second. So this puts me pretty much at 0 right now. So when I take my payout, after you take a payout, your max loss is always 0 in your account. You can't let your account go into the negative or it blows up. So now I'm there. And if I take a $1,200 payout, that'll still give me about $3,000 for buffer zone. I can lose $3,000 before I blow up the account, which is plenty. Once I go to request this payout, I can't take any losses, because at least until the payout and my new account settles and all that stuff, because it could affect the payout. You can only take up to 50% of what's in your account. So if I request this payout and then I lose $1,000, well, that might put me just outside the range, and then I'll have to request another payout, and that just prolongs the time. So let's look at my stats here. So what do we got? 6 winning days, or 6 days complete, 100% winning days, and then down here we can look, and it's kind of a nice little curve happening there, right? Nice gradual, not too crazy. Overall, I'm at 80% win rate, which is great. I'm happy with that. If I can stay above 75, that would be awesome. On the YM ticker, the E-mini Dow, I'm at 77% win rate. Not too bad. Gold at 96%. And the trade I took tonight was YM, so that'll go back up again. 96% in gold. NASDAQ is a lot more volatile, 75%. And yeah, so this will probably get back to 80% after tonight's trade. And then overall 80. That might bounce up a little bit after tonight's trade. So far so good. So that's the stats. All right, so let me go through the process of requesting this payout. There might be another way to do it, but this is the way I saw to do it. All right, how can I request a payout? You can submit this form, blah, blah, blah. If you actually read this page that's on their website when you sign up with TopStep, I found at the bottom it talks about the profit splits and everything, but it also tells you about right here, the live funded account begins with 0, it gives you like all this other information. What happens when I transfer live markets? Like there's a bunch of info here, but it tells you here in this that, you know, your account's going to be, your max loss is going to be at 0 once you take a payout. So I just didn't read that apparently. And it's a good thing. Like, you know, on the surface, it's like, man, why is TopStep doing that? Man, that's not cool, you know? So I should be able to take a payout right away. And even if it's $100, $300, I shouldn't be, my max loss automatically go to 0. So, but, you know, everything that I've seen with TopStep so far, they're doing the best they can to kind of reward the responsible traders who are really taking trading seriously, learning the craft, developing themselves, growing, and becoming better. And trying, it's almost like, and then the other ones who might just come in, jump in the casino, and get lucky a couple times. There's some firewalls there, I think, to where those people aren't necessarily rewarded because they're just, you know, casino traders. Where I think TopStep really wants to find good traders, and their system seems to be structured to benefit those traders and reward those traders. At the same time, help guide them and protect them from themselves. So, you know, right now, if I want to take a payout that's more than 50% of my account, I can't. And by doing that, it protects me from myself, from being saying, you know, I'm going to pull out 75%. I'll have a $500 left in my account, and then I might blow it up, which is not the right thing. I need to be growing this account and becoming a better trader, right? I think that's the mission of TopStep and why a lot of these rules are in place. And I don't like a lot of the rules because they restrict me and I know what I'm doing. And you know, I still blow up accounts with their rules if I do something really bad. It still allows me to blow up accounts if I'm an idiot with order entry mistakes and things like that. But it does restrict my growth a bit as well. So I don't like it for myself, but I can definitely see where it benefits new traders who are learning the craft, to help them be more disciplined and get a better trade plan. All right, so how can I request a payout? This form. All right. So it says, keep up the hard work. The payout request form will be available here once you are eligible for your first payout. I am eligible. What are you talking about? Reset. Refresh. Maybe because I already clicked on this earlier, and then as soon as you click on it, you can't click on it for another 5 days? Okay, here we go. All right, got nervous there for a second. All right, ACH, again, all your information is already in there for you. Makes it nice and easy. All right, so they have a really easy forms to fill out. It's all right here online. It's super easy to do. Super easy to do. You just have to upload a photo ID, like a driver's license or passport, and you got to upload a photo of your I did ACH, so my ACH info, even though I already, you know, you put it in the form, they wanted a photo of it as well. Real easy. And then you get this one more step. And then once that happens, you get, you know, your e-sign form has been verified. So all set, all done. Now I'm going to go back over to TopStep dashboard, and then I hit accept at the bottom, like send it in. And then you get this message. It says, great work, trader. Your payout request was successfully submitted, and a confirmation email will be sent to your inbox. Please expect to receive your payout in 2 to 5 business days. We process payouts every day, and those received before 10 a.m. Start processing same day. Additional time is needed during bank holidays or if a bank information submitted to TopStep contains errors. Some banks need additional processing time for international wires. So yes, that's it. So done, I guess. I don't know. Let's go back to the dashboard and see what it says. So my account has 4,125. What happens when I refresh this? Still has 1,000 or 4,125. All right, so we'll see what happens. So payout's in. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Okay, so after about 3 days, the money for my payout was in my account. So pretty sweet. It didn't take long at all. Really easy to process, and they paid me within about 3 days of doing that. And it took about 2 days for my account to update, showing that I had the deduction in my account. It went from my high down to my deduction, which was lower than this, a little bit lower than this, but I've made money since then. So, and then over here, 5 winning days of 200 plus to get a payout. It's saying I have a total of 9. So in about one more trading day, I'm guessing I'll be able to take another payout. This also tells you how many contracts you're allowed to take based on the scaling plan with where you're at in your account. So it's pretty nice that it's all right here in the dashboard. 10 contracts, and I cannot go below $0 or my account will blow up. But I still have a $3,000 daily loss limit for my account. And if I take my account below 0, like my current price right here goes below 0, which is this dotted red line right here, then game over on this account. So anyways, that's where we're at. So just want to give you a little update. I did take some more trades, got 9 days in now, still 100% winning. So far I got 9 days complete in this account with 100% winning. So far so good. We'll see how long that lasts. Down here we can see I'm at 84% now as my overall statistics. Trading the Dow, which is the YM ticker, I'm at 83% success. Gold, I'm at 96% success. Gold's doing pretty good for me. And in the NASDAQ, I'm at 77% success. So far so good on the percentage win rates. Sometimes I lose a little more than I win, but when you have a 77% success, it's not too bad. And when you got 96 or whatever, what was gold? 96%, I can afford to do that. So it works out pretty good profitability wise for me. All right, so you go. So that's it. Taking a payout with TopStep. Finally getting paid. All my investments been returned. And now I can get on to just making money without worrying about, oh, am I going to get a payout? How am I want to get my money back? All that good stuff. All that emotional garbage is taken out. So pretty sweet. All right, everybody. We'll see you next week with the live trade uploads I'll start doing every day, at least every day that I'm trading. All right, see you in the next video.